Hello everyone, today I'm showing you how to get the Maddox Fat Phone, this. And first of all, you need to come to Maddox the Slayer and you need to get the Tarantula Bloodfather completion and kill the Bloodfather tree and have the Spider Slayer level 3, and then you can go to the Sven Packmaster, and then you need to go kill the Sven Packmaster level 3, and you need the Wolf Slayer level 3, and then you have the recipe how to craft it, and all of you. What you need for it is 7 enchanted cobblestone, 1 enchanted redstone, and 1 enchanted iron. And then you craft it, and it works like this. You right click it, and then you get this pop up, and then you do this, and yeah, go do it. Yeah. So that's it. Bye everyone. Bye.